Hello, my name is Sean Boudreau, and today we are going to talk about movie genres. Genre is another word that means type of or kind of. So when I say movie genres, I mean different types of movies, different kinds of movies. Now, there are many genres of films. So today I'm going to focus on 6 well-known genres of movies. First, action films. Now, action films are usually movies where there are many exciting things, a lot of adventures, explosions. They are very popular in cinemas and typically make quite a lot of money. Think, for example, of the Fast and Furious movies. Genre number 2, comedy. Comedies are the movies that make us laugh, and we all enjoy sometimes to sit back and just laugh for a little while watching a film. One very well-known series of comedy movies are the Hangover films. Genre number 3 is horror. Now, horror are the movies that scare us because sometimes we like to be frightened. There are many famous horror movies. Some are more scary than others, but one very well-known series of horror movies are called Halloween. Genre number 4, science fiction and fantasy. Now, this group of movies are usually set in a place that is not real. So, for example, there is the science fiction film Star Wars, set in another universe far, far away with spaceships and powers and many different types of aliens. Related to science fiction is the group that we call fantasy. So this, for example, are films such as The Lord of the Rings. And in this situation, we also have strange and unusual creatures, magic powers, mystical happenings. Many people like science fiction and fantasy because it offers complete escapism from our real world. Category number 5, drama. Now, this is a very big category of films and usually includes movies that we feel touch us or tell a story. So, for example, there is the very famous movie Titanic, which was a love story that took place on a very famous ship which sank in the Atlantic Ocean. So drama films can be of many different time periods and involve many different characters, but usually we think they have a serious element to them, something that makes us think or maybe something that makes us feel a strong emotion. The last category, number 6, is documentary. Now, documentaries are usually the ones that typically make the least money of all the genres I've talked about. Often documentaries may not be available in all cinemas. Documentaries are films that are true. So they are true stories about people or problems that our world is facing. For instance, a very popular documentary in the United States in 2019 was the documentary American Factory, which talked about the struggles of people working in a factory in the Midwestern United States. So, I hope you enjoyed today's video and learned some new things. Thank you very much, and I look forward to talking to you next time. Bye-bye.